Okay, so you can use a gesso for this, but you can also, if you don't have gesso, you can just use white acrylic. And the only reason I'm doing this is I want my colours to pop a little more, and they're just that bit brighter on a white background. I'm trying very hard not to get rid of the sand coloured background, the natural background, because I think it's fabulous. And I am working to just within these lines. So there we go, we have our board prepped for tomorrow, so I need to allow that to dry. One thing I want to check, now this is dry, what I can do, I painted up to my lines but not over them. So what I can do is now I can remove those pencil lines. So I have none of those left on my picture. And this is why I wasn't painting over them, I was just painting up to them. A little bit there still. Okay, so we have this now. So now I've got rid of my pencil lines, I'm putting more pencil lines in. Oh, the irony. She's got these lovely folds on her belly, this lady. Let's come in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here. I loved her little belly button in the middle there. She's got one hand under her head here, one arm, and the other hand over her face, which is quite useful because it avoids having to draw the face. And we're going to come across here to our little one. So we should come across here to this kid playing. Big floppy hat. In fact, I don't think I've made the hat floppy enough. So we have a nice little outfit on this one. One knee bent there, the other one up. Missed the foot out, but that's okay, we can add that in. And then we have this little pudgy arm. Just resting across here. Not happy with where that face is. Now we've got more hat that side, that's better. We've got the hand coming down there. But we've got a bucket there. Another bucket going on there. So we've got this child in here. And then I've got my lady lying down with her ponytail. Now you'll notice I've been very clever with these sketches. I haven't really got faces to draw. There's a little bit of a shaded face here for my baby. This lady's got a t-shirt, low slung t-shirt on. And her top comes down here. Got her arm. That Actually her arm goes to about there. I have to have a bit of shadow in there. Nice, lovely, sexy hips. A pair of shorts. And legs down here. And her foot going there. So I've got my drawings in ready for painting. So our board is now prepped and ready for the next stage, so I will very much look forward to seeing you tomorrow and we will continue with this piece.